Good news, guys! Work on existing projects going step by step, maybe slowly than it needed, but it goes. So a little bit challenging episode from another project. Today it is track. Plastic scale model in 1:35 scale, but what the name of the kit, what it is a truck, we will reveal in the next episode. Well, you can write your answer in the comment what the kit is this. And we reveal it in the next episode. I have already prepared engine parts for this kit, nice ochre plastic, combined two parts of engine and transmission. Extra thin glue as usual for gluing is my choice. Upper surfaces not enough straight, so I sand them a little. Then upper part of cylinders block. Smaller parts, connection here, well, not bad, but work with small stuff, need more patience. Oops, upper detail was connected in wrong position, hopefully we can fix it. Now we can install exhausting system, a little bit fragile construction, but we did it. And now perfect timing for some engine upgrades, well, if we want to do that. And I think yes. I found some photos of this engine and there is no spark plugs and wiring. We can add this stuff, so I decided, according to that photo, provide such a cap from piece of electric cable, then plugs from pieces of plastic sprue, and in the end some wiring from metal wire. As a connection tool we use here super glue gel. The bad news of this story is that engine wouldn't be visible in the end of this whole build, but anyway, we just can do this just for fun or for training purposes. In the end we add here rollers, ventilator and some other minor details on engine. And engine ready for installation on the frame, but to do this we need to assemble frame itself at first. For that task we need to connect two main girders with minor connectional details such as smaller straight, curved and X-type girders. Instruction tells us to connect all this stuff at first on one side of the frame, then connect all these planks, and then in the end connect second side of the frame. Well, there is not zero probability that our frame got deformation after gluing process. So I decided to play a little bit with this frame and build some sort of building berth. Then I fix one side of the frame with the help of modeling tape, one girder, glue on it our connectional details, so step by step we adjust that planks with the glue and then connect second girder and then fix everything here with the modeling tape. Well, maybe here was some sort of overworking with this frame and everything can be assembled faster and easier, but it's just an assembling option. And in my case that girders were defected a little bit. In the end we receive almost straight frame, and that means that in the end all four wheels would be on the ground. So now what we need to do is to assemble together frame and engine section and put here some additional details like pipes and radiator. Yep, nostalgia feelings for an assembled Mercedes Unimog kit. We will finish it one day. Okay, what about wheels? We have here 8 vinyl tires. They are soft, have some protector, but unfortunately no markings on the sides of these tires. Also we have plastic discs for them. The rear part of wheels are doubled. We just have to glue two plastic parts of the disc. And then we can settle vinyl tires, and actually we don't need here any glue and we can disassemble tires later during the painting process. So 2 front wheels, 2 doubled rear wheels and 1 more tire as a spare. In general, not bad wheels, but they could be better. Later we connect them to the frame. Now we have some suspension parts here, springs. It is also valuable to connect them straight on a frame. Then steering mechanism. Details of cardan here. And step by step we finishing this frame and all chassis parts. We have here only rear wheels drive system in this truck. Exhausting pipe looks good, but as usual we need to drill a hole inside it. And then we can install it on the frame, on this place. Also we have here fuel tank, we will install it a little bit later. And I add here small upgrade, small circle piece of cardboard or paper on the cap. Time to glue wheels. Plastic soft and connection points not enough sharp, so we have to carefully assemble these details and cross-check the geometry of all these details. And we have here almost all details from this kit for chassis and engine section. Spare tire and the fuel tank will be installed later. We can add here some wires and pipes that we can see on the photo. One of it we put right now somewhere here, and some additional wires that imitates, I guess, brakes we install later in next episode. Finally, till this moment we received such a piece of this secret truck. Looks good as in assembling process. It makes pleasure, but plastic is soft, so you should be careful during connection, avoid too much glue, and watching the geometry of important details of this kit. Also some details here a little bit fragile, so we have to be careful during these works. Well, chassis of unnamed truck. It is an unusual truck. We may see here on our screens, and in next episode we add here little bit more metallic wires and put here cabin and cargo body, I guess. Hope you enjoyed this video. You can support the job by subscription or comment if you want. Anyway, thank you for attention. Have a nice day, guys. Good luck and bye.